Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair these Philips headphones with any MacBook. So to do this, you have to simply grab these headphones and find these three buttons. You have to click and hold this middle button until this indicator starts blinking, so keep holding. As you can see right now it is blinking, so we have to put it close to our MacBook. We have to go to the system settings, then move on the Bluetooth settings to the left side, turn it on with the switcher and select your Philips headphones from the list. Click on this connect button. Just to be sure that everything is fine, go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input. We have to select our Philips headphones. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.